Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If your first time here, my name is Baby Z. So in this video I will be teaching my white husband how
Hello.
to prepare jollof rice. Right thing?
Right.
So we are preparing for you today jollof rice. So I will be teaching him how to do that, and we will cooking this together because he likes jollof rice so much. Am I right?
Yes, it's very nice.
Yeah, you see, he like it. So that's why I said, okay, why not? Let me just teach him and share with you guys how we prepare for you this wonderful Sierra Leone jollof rice. Okay? Show them in the camera. So this is how it's looking. It's already blended. So now I'll teach him how to cook jollof rice. Okay? What is there? Here. So here we have paprika, onion, and hot chili here. So you already blend it together. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So now it's just going ahead to blend the rest together. It's going out to chop it and blend it together. This is a carrot. We have already chopped it like this. To add some water in the meat. Now we just start by boiling the meat. And now it's going ahead to add all these ingredients here. Here we have salt, and we have vegeta, and we have this gif this griffle. So now it's just going ahead to add everything together. And now we're going to turn the cooker on and allow this to cook for like 5 minutes. Just going to start with the oil. This is the olive oil we are going to use. It's going to pour it in the pot. Now we are just going to start by frying the meat, putting the meat inside the oil. So Tim, can you do it? It is frying. It's all just going ahead to stir it together like this, and we allow this to fry for like 2-3 minutes, and we just go ahead to add our tomato mix and paprika and hot chili in here, and little bit of garlic inside here. Okay, let me come close to show you what it's doing. Okay,
See now, I take the tomato inside.
the pot. Now we're just going ahead to add some tomato mix and stir together. And now he's also going ahead to add the tomato liquid. This one. Okay, is enough. Add this one inside. Everything. Okay. So now add this Maggi cubes. Now he's just going ahead again to add 2 Maggi cubes. Okay, Maggi cubes. Okay, you can add it inside. Yeah. Now he's adding some carrot inside. Stew. Okay, stir together. Stir it together. Okay, it's okay. So now we are going to allow this to cook for like 10 minutes, and we'll come back to show you how it's looking like. What is this? This is the cabbage, huh?
Yes.
We have already cut the cabbage into dice form. So now the meat is still boiling, I will show you guys anything that we are doing so he can learn how to cook jollof rice. Okay, you are ready to learn, Tim?
Yes,
Talk
I'm
today.
ready.
Yeah, you see, he's ready to learn. Okay, so after 10 minutes, we are just going ahead to add the garbage inside the pot. Okay, so let me show you. Stir it. Going ahead to add the rice inside, as you can see. Okay, now he's going to show you how we add the rice inside. Let me bring the camera closer. Now you're going to stir it again, like this. Okay. So now we are just going ahead to add this meat water. This is the meat water, the water you boil with the meat, and add it inside. Yeah. Okay. Take this out. We have to bring this out. Yeah. To add some butter inside. This is butter. So let me
take the butter inside the
pot.
The pot.
Yeah. Okay. Stir it one more. Okay, so now we are going to taste for salt. It's okay, it's okay. Now taste for salt. Taste it. Taste it in your hand. Put in your hand and taste. Taste it. Come, like this. Taste it, yeah, if salt is okay. The salt is okay?
It's okay. Very good.
Okay.
The tasted is really good. Really good.
The jollof rice is really tasting delicious, guys. We will show you the finished look, okay? Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Let's cook this together, okay? Okay, we are just going ahead to load down the heat and then cover it with the aluminium paper like this. Then we cover it. Cover it on top, just like this. Yeah, it's good. And we cover it. Okay, just like that. So we will come back in 10 to 15 minute time and we will show them how our rice is looking, right?
Right.
Yes. Okay, so stay tuned and we will come back to show you how our rice is looking. Okay?
Hey guys, and this love jollof rice too.
This is Leo. Leo, say hello. Hello to the camera. He loves jollof rice. Okay? So, I will introduce to you all my family. Don't worry, guys, okay? He's just going ahead to stir the jollof rice because jollof rice, you have to stir it. Because if you don't stir it, it will get burnt. So now he's just going ahead to show you how we stir it together. So let me bring the camera closer so you can see. A little bit of water, just a little bit like this is good. Guys, we are back. So
no, we're showing the finished look.
Okay, so now we are going to show you the finished look. Okay, so let me bring the camera closer so you see. Wow, our jollof rice is looking really delicious. So now he's going to stir it one more so you can see how our jollof rice is looking.
Looks and smells very good.
Oh, okay. It's looking really delicious, guys. So this is how our jollof rice is looking so forth. As you can see, this is the finished look.
It's very, very good. You have very good cook.
Yes, so you see, So now I teach him how to prepare jollof rice. So you can also teach your hobby, friends, how to make jollof rice. So this is the finished look, guys. So thank them.
Thank you for looking, and thank you for looking the channel from BBC,
Yeah. Thank you very much for stopping
and
by.
subscribe the channel from BBC.
Subscribe and like the video. That means if you like it, okay? If you want to see more of this, oh, I have many of them. So just leave it in the comment section. Tell me what you think about the video. So now he's a very fast learner. Next time he will prepare it alone without me showing him. Okay? Okay, guys, thank you very much. I think this is the end of this video. Okay? Bye. Next time,
Bye.
no, wait. Next time, we are going to share with you the next video how he tastes the jollof rice, how he's eating. We love you guys.